So my name is Alvin Velasco and 11 years na po ako sa taking the product Herbalife and also doing the business 11 years. Now, as you can see, weight loss po ang aking result. And from this weight loss po, alam natin pag overweight tayo, there's a lot of discomfort sa body. So, cutting it straight, 25 pounds ang nawala sa akin on the first month. And 7 inches ang natapyas no sa aking bewang. And it's been amazing journey since then. So we engage sa business venture nito. Pinag-aralan natin kung paano ba tayo makaka-discount. That was the start. And eventually go to a lot of trainings. Kaya naging lab na rin namin po ang Herbalife and we became coaches. And until now, this company has been the anchor po sa aming finances. And of course, napakaganda rin kasi we have a lot of time to develop also our families. So hindi katulad ng empleyado ka, medyo gipit yung time mo to go with the yung family ties. So dito maganda kasi you have your own pace when doing the business and having time for your families. So pagka 11 years na kayo sa products, so lahat ng products favorite na niya, no? Lahat yan na we already take that one. But of course, there are products na talagang love mo, especially sa akin. I love the heart health product kasi I'm 57 na ngayon and we have to take care of our heart. Yung Herbalife line, yung Nightworks, yung Mega Garlic, Cell Complex, yan yung mga favorite ko. Of course, we have the Aloe Tea Shake and vitamins and minerals and fiber and herb. So yung mga binanggit ko, we have to take that one every day, especially sa akin, no? And ano ba yung topic natin today? It's about how to control hunger. These are 5 proven strategies to curb your appetite. Why it is important? Kasi syempre, lahat tayo gustong kumain, masarap kumain. But then, the food that we are taking has impact po sa health natin. It's a decision that you have to make para pagdating mo ng old age, you can still go along with the flow. Hindi ka nasa silyang tumba-tumba na ganyan and just waiting for your time. So you have to take care of your body. So this coming from Susan Bowerman, no? Si Susan Bowerman po, alam natin na talagang nandito na siya sa Herbalife, no? Oh. Siya po ay talagang dietitian natin ever since. Pero ang maganda sa kanya, itong 2 libro na to ni David Heber, nag-co-author siya and this one you have to get a copy of this one kasi it can help you educate yourself basing on the food and nutrition. Okay? So, what is hunger, no? Sabi dito, feeling of yung displaying yourself na the need for food or strong desire to eat or craving. Now, ang significance ito is learning to control hunger. Probably this is the biggest problem pagka meron kang gustong ayusin sa katawan mo, di ba? Kasi hindi pwedeng kain ka lang ng kain and then you wanted to lose weight. So, dito, tinatanong natin kung paano ba. And this is a few tricks na binigay sa atin ni Susan Bowerman to go along with it. Pero bago yan, how do we really tell kung truly nagugutom ka? Kasi there are instances po na gusto mo lang kumain or stress ka o may naamoy ka lang ng pagkain at gusto mong kumain. So hindi po ganun 'yon. This kind of itong ating session ngayon, doon tayo nakapokus sa totoong hunger. So how do we define hunger? Not a definition but ito yung mararamdaman mo eh. Minsan nangyayari din sa akin to, does your stomach rumble? Naririnig mo ba siyang kumukulo na yung tiyan mo? And probably you are hungry na. Kasi syempre, yan na yung manifestation na talagang gutom ka na. Okay? Pangalawa, is your energy level dipping? Nalulobat ka ba? So, when it comes to this one, alam mo, kailangan mo ng fuel, di ba? Refueling. Or you have to take a rest, then kain ka. kasi gutom na talaga yung katawan mo. Probably you're doing something uh, for a long time. Okay? And another thing, do you have a little bit of brain fog? Yung brain fog po, yung medyo hindi ka na makaka-focus sa ginagawa mo. And then yung cranky ka, ibig sabihin, dumaan lang yung kapatid mo, parang nainis ka na, so medyo irritable ka na, baka gutom ka lang nga talaga. Okay? So doon natin i-divert itong pag-uusap natin dito sa true hunger talaga, no? Hindi lang yung mga bagay na gusto mong kumain, wala tayo doon. Ito natin, bibigyan natin ng daan, yung tunay na gutom para malaman natin kung ano yung gagawin natin so that we can have the results that we really intended to gain. Okay? So, 5 best ways to control your hunger. So, sabi ko nga kanina, hunger control is aim at curbing true hunger. Sabi ni Susan Bauerwan, ano? Yung mga symptoms na sinabi ko kanina, yun yung totoong hunger talaga. Okay? So number one, ang kanyang ano dito, tip is use protein as hunger buster. Kasi alam niyo po, ang protein satisfies more than the other two macronutrients, yung carbohydrates saka yung fats. So try to incorporate protein dun sa snack mo. So sample of protein, ayan oh, nakikita niyo dyan sa slides na yan. But the best thing for us, kasi nandito na tayo sa Herbalife, when you do incorporation sa mga protein na yan, etong pinaka-the best kasi you have to take the F1 formula shake tapos haluan mo lang ng desired fruits mo or veggies or anything na pwede mong gawin. Yung iba gumagawa ng pudding, gumagawa ng overnight oats, sabi ni Cecil yung ano-ano yung protein bites, protein balls. So there are a lot of things na pwede mong gawin sa F1 shake. And this could really curb your hunger kasi protina po siya, no? Tandaan natin, 9 grams of protein per servings yung F1 shake natin. So, malaking bagay yun, no? So, number 2, fill yourself up with watery high fiber foods. Itong fiber is very important po sa atin. And this one's also, wala po siyang calorie. Like water, wala ding calorie ang fiber. But if you eat this kind of food naman, yung mga ganyang klase no na mga prutas na ganyan, it tends to fill up yung stomach mo, tapos busog ka na agad, no? Plus the vitamins and minerals of this kind of food. Okay? So, ngayon, syempre, tutulungan mo rin yung ano mo to really curb that hunger kung when you are in weight loss program especially. So we have a very good product for that. Kung kulang pa yung fiber natin kasi we are recommended to take at least 25 grams to 30 grams of fiber daily. So malaki-laki yung requirements na yan. That's why we have to supplement it. Lalo na ngayon na ang ating mga kinakain ay uh, mga fast food and everything. Wala halos fiber doon. So we have this good product, the Fiber Band and the fiber and herb. Both of these has insoluble and soluble fiber, no? That really helps with our intestinal health. Not only that, para din mabusog tayo. And then, plus you have to add these vitamins and minerals kasi our body tends to really find those nutrients. Kasi po kahit kain ka ng kain, no? Kahit ka ng kain, nagtataka ka bakit after 2 hours, gutom ka na naman. Hindi naman na makakapagsalita yung katawan mo na Alvin, I need vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin yun. Ang language lang ng katawan natin is nagugutom tayo. That's why you have to experience this craving of foods. But actually, your body is trying to tell you na kulang ka sa mga nutrition na yon, kaya ka nagugutom. So we have to fill this up, yung gap na yan, although we have the shake, but syempre, different individuals, hindi natin alam yung mga nutrient deficiency natin. So we have to fill up those vitamins and minerals. Very important po. And lately po, meron tayong product na itong Active Fiber Complex. Na-explain na rin kanina doon sa other speaker. So this is very good. You have to just incorporate it doon sa F1 shake nyo. Then you have you have really get the proper amount ng fiber every day. Okay? So number three, exercise can help control hunger. Totoo po ito. A lot of people are enjoying po doing exercise and our body is designed to move. Alam naman natin yan. And also the findings today, yung pagiging in search for longevity, muscle is very important. It will aid you to an old age. So kailangan palakasin mo yung muscle mo kasi yung muscle pala natin, this is the pharmacy. This is the pharmacy of our body. Nandyan pala lahat yung chemicals na ini-excrete niya while having those workout. So doon niya binibigay yung mga chemicals na yon to really heal your body. And likewise then, naaalis mo yung toxin sa katawan. So exercise is very important. But doing exercise, syempre, kailangan ibagay nyo rin yung exercise na bagay sa inyo, no? Unlike me, I have this scoliosis, so I cannot really exercise yung very, yung mga strenuous exercise. For me, I do Tai Chi, yung stretching lang every morning kung may panahon ako. And then papapawisan ka, no? And drinks a lot of water. And this one can really control also your hunger, no? So, eto naman, drink fluids to help you less hungry. So, may mga tao po na medyo mahirap uminom ng tubig. So, you have to design this one para kaya-aya sa paningin mo yung tubig. Kailangan meron kang ready na yelo dyan, malamig talaga tingnan. And syempre, pwede mong lagyan ng lemon or yung ating pipino. So, you have to really help yourself pagdating dito sa hydration, no? At tayo naman, we always recommend this one, no? Eto na, promote na rin ni Cecil kanina. Minimix natin yung aloe and tea to make up an iced tea na it's very healthy, energizing. So, ganun lang, no? Tulungan natin ang sarili natin to really curb those appetite. Okay? And lastly po, eating small, frequent meals can help curb your appetite. Alam nyo ba yung sistema na to, this trick is very helpful. Lalong-lalo na po if you want to manage your sugar level. Marami po ngayon na katulad ng sinasabi ni Eric, yung metabolic syndrome kanina, no? So you can actually correct that one by simply doing this one. Lalong-lalo na pagka-protein yung tinitake mo. Or just simply take the shakes, no? Na kapag nagugutom ka, take the shakes. Wala namang limit yung shakes natin. Minsan, I can take shakes 5 times a day. Lalong-lalo na pag nasa training. So, you can eat as much as you can basta alam mo lang yung kinakain mo na healthy, di ba? So, this kind of thing, syempre hindi naman pwedeng uh, wala kang gagawin. So, you have to really manage what type of food you are putting in your body para ma-curb mo yung appetite mo and so you can gain the result na gusto mo talagang gawin. Okay? So, eto, one must eat to live, not live to eat. So very significant naman to kasi there are a lot of people today na ang unang naiisip talaga pagising ay kakain. So according to these people, Buddha, Hippocrates, Socrates, Gandhi, no? One must eat to live, not live to eat. Okay? So I hope you have learned something from this short session. And don't forget the spectacular po. And see you there. So thank you. Back